Hey, hi everyone. This is Shiva Veldurti. As you know, I am currently working as a corporate trainer. I would like to advise or suggest you to all the students, those who are currently still pursuing the BTech, those completed the BTech, still they are looking for the job opportunities. How to learn the programming language? When you start learning of any programming language, first step is try to go to the documentation part. So if you search Python documentation, so you can just open the website. You can see one website on official documentation. Try to go and search the documentation part. You can see all the documentation, the version and current version, and what are the advanced methodologies in the Python. So this all you can see. The second step is, once you complete the programming language in the first Python, next step is you should go to the LLMs, try to get basic, core and advanced level topic on particular programming language. Write down the notes, basic, core and advanced level topic, and each and every concept while you are learning, tick on the topic and write it in your notes and practice as well as in the same time. Practice one or more and more, like days. So let's suppose I can take one particular concept, I'll revise this particular concept in the next week on the same day. So then you automatically, your consistency will be increased, then your progress will be increased, your productivity of the time will be increased. In that way you may learn and remember the subject in a long time. The third step, when you go to the third step, you must go to the GitHub or else YouTube to learn the particular projects on related programming language. Then only you will be get an idea and get an confidence on particular programming language. So that's my sincere request to every student. Don't invest a penny rupee on any institute. Once you go to the institute, the timeline will be more. So many of you are thinking, when I go to the institute I'll get the job. If you have the confidence, you will get the job definitely. If you're not having any confidence in you, automatically you won't get the job. So you can go to the LinkedIn professional one of the social media. So you can see many opportunities there and try to get the referral from anyone who are still working in any company as a senior managers, senior level. Okay, so don't expect anything from anyone while you are learning any concept. This is my sincere request. Do the effort, you definitely get succeed in one day. I can assure you, you may get the good opportunity and you may learn all the technologies in a better way than others. So thank you so much to all of you for your support, and those who want to support me, try to support my channel, try to support and subscribe my channel, and you can see many updates on culture, coding, personality development, yoga. So let's meet in a next video. Thank you so much all of you. Bye.